What's up, Siacoin Holders? As you know, it is the last day of month. In the last day of this month, the people doing a very big mistake. My friends, please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss, my friends. Let me show you, friends, what's going on in this time in the Siacoin, my friends. If you look the latest price of the Siacoin in the market, so you can see it 0.017432 USD dollar. That is the latest price of Siacoin in this time in the market. Now, in this time, the people doing a very big mistake, so please don't do this mistake. And I also discuss mistake in this video. Keep watch this video. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. Anyways, I hope you all subscribe my channel. Let's start the video, my friends. Now, if you look the price change occurring in the Siacoin, so the last 1 hour price change is going better, positive. Last 1 day price change is positive. The whole change is occurring in the Siacoin is going better. And the Siacoin is a neutral cryptocurrency. So I found every time Siacoin is in the positive move. You can see here, that is the last 3 days price chart of the Siacoin. Absolutely, they will take a huge bump. And you can see here in the previous last 1 day, they fast down on the 29 May and 31 May they take a jump, my friends. So now you can see here at this time the people doing a very big mistake. What mistake they do? They decide to sell, my friends. As you know, they take a jump from the previous last 2 days. So that means that is the pattern of Siacoin move. Take a jump, fast down, take a jump. That is the pattern of Siacoin. So I hope that they will continue this pattern throughout this whole month. That is why my prediction about Siacoin is 100% positive, and I believe that they will give you good amount of profit in the June. So that is why I suggest for everyone to it's time to hold, it's time to buy Siacoin because the future of the Siacoin is very bright, my friends. Anyways, so what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Siacoin? Please also share in the comment box. And again, I request everyone don't sell it and subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.